Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Today I'd like to go over the LAT Technician Pro app. This is a commercial beverage equipment troubleshooting app. And I would like to go through some of the navigation steps to help you be able to navigate through the app a little better. And we're going to start with choosing our equipment, which is up on the right hand side. It has a drop-down menu, and you can choose fountain soda, ice machine, frozen beverage, coffee espresso, and water filtration. Let's start off with fountain soda. Whenever you choose your equipment on this app, your workflow will automatically be highlighted and the no carbonation will be highlighted as well. In the workflow library for each piece of equipment, you're going to have some basic service issues that come up commonly on the equipment. So in this case, we have no carbonation, off ratio or bricks, water, in CO2 line. We're going to start off by going through the no carbonation issue. So you scroll down and you'll see your first question, and this is a guide that's going to guide you through the workflow, all of the troubleshooting steps that you should take. To start with this one, it says, is the CO2 tank open or not empty? We're going to say yes. It'll take you to the next step. Is the regulator output near 60 psi? Usually your regulator output will be around 70, 72 psi. So we're going to say yes. The next step, is the carbonator pump running on demand? Let's say yes. Next, is the water backing into the CO2 line? In this case, we're going to say yes. And then it's going to give you a recommended action. Go ahead and click yes on recommended action, and it'll bring up your recommended action. In this case, it's saying replace the carbonator check valve, inspect fittings for leakage, purge the CO2 line, and retest the carbonation. If water reaches the regulator, inspect or replace the regulator as needed. And that is your recommended action to fix the problem. And then it also guides you on how to go ahead and test to be sure that the problem is solved. And then from there, you can go ahead and hit start over, and it'll go through different workflows for you. Let's look at some of the other tabs on here that are available on the Technician Pro app. You have symptoms. This is in case you get a call for a fountain machine that has no carbonation. What are some of the symptoms? This way you can kind of know what's going on before you even get to the site. This will tell you symptoms that's going on that might match up with what's in the work ticket. Drinks are flat, no carbonator sound, low or no CO2 pressure. Those are some of the symptoms. This next tab is tools. This will suggest different tools that you might need for that particular issue. So you have pressure gauges, leak detector, basic hand tools, and then likely parts that might be needed: CO2 regulator, carbonator check valve, carbonator pump, carbonator tank switch. And then it has a tab for a checklist. This is primarily to help you manage going through your diagnosis procedure, especially if you're new to the industry. This is a big help to have a checklist to go by. And then as you learn and as you grow in the business, you'll this will be second nature to you. So this checklist, it'll tell you verify your power to equipment, verify incoming water supply, verify CO2 or gas supply is applicable, check and clean condenser or airflow path, document your pressures and key readings. So it gives you a full checklist that you can go by just to kind of guide your steps, especially if you're new to the industry. Another tab that's available is your bricks calculator. This will calculate your bricks for you. It'll tell you what measurement you should have for your bricks ratio, and it'll tell you the levels if you're using a bricks cup and a S tube, or if you're using a refractometer. And then on the right side, it has a quick reference where it'll give you some guidance as far as what your CO2 pressures should be, what range they should be in, what your water pressure range should be in, your syrup gas pressure range, and then a reminder to verify exact OEM specs for the machine being serviced. So these are some helpful tools that will get you through diagnosing your service issues much quicker and a lot smoother without having to wait on the phone for tech support to get to you, or going through manuals or trying to look up manuals and having a hard time getting a connection. This is a real good tool because you're able to use this without Wi-Fi. So even if you're down in a basement and you don't really have a good signal, or you're in a building that doesn't have a good signal, you'll be able to use this app right on site without any problem. So that's just a basic overview of the LAT Technician Pro app. Feel free to go down and click the link and download it onto your phone. And by all means, follow up with me as you use this, just to let me know if you're having any issues with the app, or let me know if you'd like to see something added to the app. It'll be a big help to be able to build this, because this is still a work in progress, but I want to kind of put it out there so that everyone knows how to navigate through it and utilize it while they're out in the field. So thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.